I love you.
I love you too.
So, what do you want to talk about? It's okay, you can tell me anything.
So, I think I'm pregnant.
What? You almost got me there for a sec. You look so serious.
Oh, what do you mean? Why are you laughing?
Okay, come on. Alright, you got me there for a second, you had me worried. Well done.
I'm fucking serious, it's not a yoke.
You're serious?
Yes. There is a possibility that there is a fetus swimming inside my belly as we speak.
Ugh. Okay. So, what do you think we should do?
I don't know, because you see, there's, I mean...
What?
It may not exactly be yours.
Whose is it? Who are you?
You don't remember the plumber we called in some weeks ago?
No. How's it work?
This is Alejandro. He helped fix the pipes with our sink.
What? Hello, what?
Alejandro.
So, Mr. Plumber, you jammed more pipes than you originally planned, did you?
Well, there was something I had to unplug and then something else that needed a little, filling up.
Aren't you wonderful?
She is actually, you should hold on to this one. She is such a wonderful creature, she is... I feel like when God made this one, he was just showing off.
I used to think so, and now I'm not so sure.
Oh, I can reassure you, she is perfect. You would definitely have a good one. Yes, sir.
Declan, I've just been... Okay, look, work has been stressful.
Oh, don't give me that fucking bullshit.
I mean,
work has been stressful, therefore I must ride every lad in the fucking
Well,
boat.
Declan, you don't fucking do anything in the bedroom now, do you? I'm doing all the work with all the acrobatics and shit. I'll be on my feet all day. Girl needs a fucking bit of pleasure too, Like, I need to be rubbed the right way. I ain't getting none of that.
And this justifies cheating.
No! Declan, all the acrobatics I do, now you're laying there like a fucking prince. You're just like, oh yeah, fucking right. Just fucking good right you are. Fucking A1. You get girl. None of that. I don't get any of that in return.
And, on some of the nights that I've had to, stay in there for longer than expected, it does sound kind of like he fakes it sometimes.
Do you fake it?
Yep, see, he hesitated. Oh.
Yeah. I certainly do.
And you wonder why I freaking, go for Alejandro.
Why?
Well, like a genie bottle, he rubs me the right way. As Christina Aguilera might say.
Well, since you guys are so happy together, I was going to say I'll just leave you to it, but then I remembered it's my house, so each of you get the fuck out before I lose my mind. What are you waiting for? There's the door.
Oh, shit.
Oh, don't worry.
That's not what I'm...
Oh.
What are you fucking doing?
Oh. Is that petunia leakage I see?
It seems like on my period. Is there a chance we could forget about this?
Yeah, I mean, just think, if you had waited even 5 minutes to have this conversation, your day would have turned out so differently. But, you know, I don't like being the third wheel in a lover spat, so toodles.
Why is he going out the window?
You know how these guys are like. You know, they like to.
Speaks to your taste. I bet you go speed dating in the zoo.
Louisa, I forgot my wrench, but, you know, don't worry. I'll come by another day and pick it up, you know. Have a nice night, you two.
So, how's work been going?
Not very good, because apparently I don't do anything. So
What you don't?
So I was willing to be made redundant and fired and replaced.
Okay, look. It's just...
What? Oh, hold on.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I wanted to just ask you one thing, okay?
What?
Yes, just, you know,
Spit it out.
where do you get your eyebrows done? I just like, they're really like perfectly sculpted, you know. I think I would, you know...
You know what, sir? I think you got some nice eyebrows too.
Well, go for
Declan! Get up! Let me have you!
This is kind of kinky.